Hello, hey, I'm going to show you how you make hummus from an eggplant. So, really excited. I love this. My husband really loves this hummus. So what I've done already was I roasted this beauty. I just put it in the oven for about 50 minutes, and it was on 350, so about 50 minutes or until it gets soft. So I poked some holes in this with just a fork, just pierced it a little bit, and then let it cool, and then I'm just gonna peel this beauty up. Eggplant is our friend. Let's peel that. And then I also roasted some garlic as well. You want to roast the bulb of the garlic, like the whole thing, and I went ahead and did 2 so that I could have more garlic roasted. And I need to use a knife on this. That's okay. Peel this. I thought I'd show you how to do it instead of do it beforehand. It's nice when you can just peel off the skin. Right? And there's different ways that you can roast vegetables, but roasting is a really great way to easily get your foods in, and you can roast a bunch at a time so that you can keep them and eat on them for 3 to 4 days, so that every couple days a week you are roasting your vegetables, and you have this hummus. Now you can find pretty inexpensive hummus. I found it at Whole Foods, but you want to make sure that when you buy the hummus that there's no oil in it, and that's one of the reasons why I make my own. But I found this hummus at Whole Foods with no oil, so I went ahead and bought a few of those, but we are about out, so I'm like, hey, I'm just gonna make this because I wanted to show you guys how to do it. So, it's just so nice. I love eggplant. Eggplant has that anti-angiogenesis effect, so it's gonna help decrease your fat in your body, and it helps also avoid tumors from growing. So this is a great way to make sure that you are healthy from the inside out. Okay. All right. So we got our eggplant. I'm gonna put it in my blender, and then I got my garlic that is roasted right here. And what I do here, I'll get all the paper off, and cut that top off here. And then seeds come out really easily. The whole thing. It'll be yummy. Isn't it wonderful that you know what is going in? There's no preservatives, there's no salt, there's no sugar, there's no oil. It's all yummy, good for you stuff, so you don't have to portion anything out. Just eat it. Those roasted veggies that you made, or raw veggies that you could buy in a bag, really easy. Go to work and you know you have a snack that's going to be so delicious. Or maybe instead of while you're making dinner, you can snack on something like this instead of like nuts or chips, like that. So this roasted garlic right into the blender. Okay, one whole bowl. All right, then I'm going to do an onion. 1 tablespoon. So it's not that much. This is, by the way, this is going to serve 4 people. Or 4 servings, I should say. So you have this a week. I'm just going to a little bit, put it in here. Then I'm going to do beans. Now I already had these cooked up for myself, but you can just grab your beans from a can and rinse them off. You don't want too much juice in your hummus here. So it's a cup of garbanzo beans, and then tahini sauce, the secret sauce. I love this stuff. I use a lot for dressings. A 1/4 cup. So I guess 3 tablespoons, maybe, or maybe a little bit more. I'm just actually going to use the rest of what's in this jar. You don't have to be exact. You just kind of make it. Once you do it a few times, you kind of know what you like. And use the rest of this. Okay. My tahini. Okay. Then I'm going to do a 1/4 cup of water. Quarter cup of water. Do the lemon. You're going to do lemon juice. I want to look for any seeds in there. Squeeze that in here. I like the fresh lemon, but you can also buy the lemon in the the little container that you get from the produce department that looks like a lemon or a lime. If you don't have a lemon, hey, use lime. Use orange. There was a seed that went in there. Well, that was nice. All right. Then I'm going to put a little cumin in there. Well, there's a seed down my shirt. 1/4 tablespoon of cumin, and then you'll add paprika at the very end, okay? And that is it. So let's go ahead and blend this up. That looks good. More lemon. lemon. I actually may have put too much tahini in there. So we'll just add maybe more lemon, maybe a little more water. Let's see how this goes. Just taste it. Add what you like. That's better. I'm gonna actually blend it a little bit more to get it a little bit more smooth. But after that, you just put some paprika on it, and that's it. And then you have your hummus for the week. Hope you enjoy, and please try it and let me know that you tried it and how it went, okay, and how you like it. All right.